In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft To Do app on Android. If you're looking for a simple way to keep track of tasks, reminders, and shared lists, Microsoft To Do is a great choice. And getting it onto your phone or tablet only takes a minute. All you need is your Android device, access to the Google Play Store, and a stable internet connection. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and it ensures you're getting the legitimate version of the app with automatic updates. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type Microsoft To Do. As the results appear, look for the listing titled Microsoft To Do Lists and Tasks. Make sure you choose the official app from Microsoft so you get secure syncing and full features. Tap the listing to open its detail page where you can preview screenshots, read a short description, and check ratings and reviews. When you're ready, tap Install. The Play Store will download and install the app automatically. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. Keeping your device connected to Wi-Fi can speed things up and help you avoid using mobile data. When the install completes, tap Open to launch the app right away. You can also find it on your home screen or in your app drawer later. On first launch, you may be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. This sign-in enables cloud syncing, so your tasks follow you across devices, including your computer, tablet, or another phone. If you already use Outlook or Teams, the same account keeps everything in sync. Once you're in, you can start creating daily task lists and setting reminders, organizing work, school, and personal to-dos in one place. You'll be able to share specific lists with family, classmates, or coworkers, making collaboration simple. Because it integrates with Microsoft Outlook and Teams, flagged emails and assigned tasks can show up in your lists, helping you stay on top of deadlines. The app works on most modern Android devices, and updates from the Play Store ensure you always have the latest improvements. That's all it takes to download and open Microsoft To Do on Android. If you ever want to revisit the Play Store page, you can return through the app's listing to leave a review or check for updates. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying organized with Microsoft To Do.